Okay, now that you've seen the general overview of how the USTPro solution works, I'm going to demonstrate how we fill in a particular form. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the name of the person that's filling the form. Now this would actually be filled out on an earlier page, and now my responsibility would be to sign it. And you can use your mouse or your finger, but I'm going to use my tablet's pen in order to go ahead and sign this form. So that goes right in there in the signature field, and you'll see that the inspection date is there. Now, all the fields that are required are in yellow, and it's much easier to do them in order. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the information in. And as soon as I do that, you'll notice that it automatically opens up other fields that are required fields. And this is part of the magic of the solution, is that it makes it really easy for your inspector to complete these reports and make sure that they're accurate and not send back incomplete information. So now I can go ahead and I could either type in the information, or I can show you I could also just go ahead and use my pen, and it would bring up a little number box, which makes it easy to use for people that prefer the pen if they're using a tablet PC. I'll go ahead and fill these in real quick. You'll notice that as soon as I fill them in, they're not yellow anymore. I can enter all the information that I need. I'm not going to keep going across. You get the idea. And also the products that could be entered in are in an easy drop-down list. Again, it makes it easy for not having to spell things, and you can put in whatever is there. If what you are choosing is not there, then you could go ahead and write it in. So, for example, if this just uses regular, I could just type in regular, and that's perfectly acceptable. And then all I have to do is go through and inspect all the parts of my tank and check the yes or no. You can only have one of them checked. I'm going to keep going. I would scroll down for my whole page. If something is not applicable for some reason, I can go ahead and click that. And that's it. And then once I'm done and everything passes, then I'm ready to go. If we went to send this inspection back to the office, it would be rejected because there are still required fields that have not yet been filled in. And your inspectors will get used to that, and it'll make sure that they don't send back any incomplete paperwork. So that's just a quick overview of how you would fill out a typical form. Thanks.